Senators Jay Costa, Jim Ferlo, and Mary Jo White, Pennsylvania Senate. Nominated by Robert M. Brenner of Southwestern Pennsylvania Legal Services, Robert V. Rakunas of Neighborhood Legal Services Association, Cynthia A. Sheehan of Laurel Legal Services. Executive Directors of the Legal Services programs comprising the Southwestern Pennsylvania Legal Services Consortium, and Robert A. Oakley, Executive Director of Northwestern Pennsylvania Legal Services, along with Joseph Olympi, Older and Wiser Managing Attorney, and Laurie Mansell-Reich, Older and Wiser Program Coordinator. Pennsylvania Legal Services is pleased to honor Senators Jay Costa, Jim Ferlo, and Mary Jo White for their leadership and support of the Older and Wiser Public Education Initiative. Older and Wiser was created in the summer of 2003 as a result of an information-sharing meeting with several Western Pennsylvania legislators. Concern emerged over the number of legal issues affecting senior citizens. Thus, the Older and Wiser program was developed to give legal information and referrals to the elderly, their families, and caregivers. Older and Wiser is a unique partnership among state legislators, legal services programs, local bar associations, pro bono attorneys, law firms, foundations, and businesses. The program also enjoys a strong partnership with Pennsylvania's Office of the Attorney General. The initiative consists of a series of public education programs presented in legislators' local districts by pro bono attorneys, addressing subjects of special importance to senior citizens and their adult children. Current Older and Wiser presentations include protections through powers of attorney and living wills, dealing effectively with health care facilities, senior fraud, understanding retirement benefits, and wills and living trusts. Each session includes an overview of the subject matter, a question and answer session, and referral information for direct legal services. 98% have said they would attend future seminars on other topics, and that they would recommend the program to family and friends. The Older and Wiser program was embraced by Senators Costa, Ferlo, and White as a way to meet the constituents' needs who routinely contact their legislative district offices for information and advice on matters of importance to aging adults. Senator Jim Ferlo represents the 38th Senatorial District in southwestern Pennsylvania. He piloted the Older and Wiser program prior to its initial implementation by hosting and introducing a seminar attended by 70 individuals. He met with program planners to provide invaluable feedback and suggestions to improve the presentation. Senator Ferlo also spoke at the press conference, formally kicking off the Older and Wiser program. Senator Jay Costa, representing the 43rd District, has sponsored 5 seminars. Senator Costa conducted 3 presentations and is offered to do more. Senator Costa also volunteered his time to be a Pennsylvania Bar Association panelist on Older and Wiser at the 2004 Pro Bono Conference in Hershey, Pennsylvania. The Older and Wiser program was designed to be replicated in Western Pennsylvania and eventually across the state. Senator Mary Jo White serves the 21st Senatorial District. She was one of the first senators to sponsor the Older and Wiser program outside of the initial 14-county Southwest focus area. Senator White enthusiastically embraced the program with both her time and her resources. As a result, other legislators in northwestern Pennsylvania have followed her lead in sponsoring seminars. For all of their efforts in leading the implementation and expansion of the Older and Wiser Public Education Initiative, and their commitment to broadening access to legal information, Pennsylvania Legal Services is honored to present Senators Jay Costa, Jim Ferlo, and Mary Jo White with its 2005 Excellence Award.